We started dating during the pandemic. Nagpapasama ako sa'yo sa grocery, doing errands, and having one-on-one inuman. And I clearly remember being drunk and full of happiness, saying that if I could marry you that night, I would. Immediately, your drunk self and your marupok self said, ako rin.
Huling tanong, tutuloy ba natin ang kasal?
Yes, Father.
Sure?
I give you all of my love, give you every touch, till the sky turns to stardust. I get lost in your light, there's a look in your eyes that I follow for miles. Where you go, I find
Naiiyak ka na?
you're the one my heart beats for, like an anchor to the shore. Oh, don't you know I'm yours?
Dear Sam, March 1, 2018, the day I first met you. Yeah. Be back now. Yeah.
Pagkasama ko siya, lagi akong tawa ng tawa. Kasi joke siya ng joke.
Parang sobrang comfortable kami with each other.
Parang at home yung feeling. Hi, Will!
Parang chat lang ah.
Today, in front of our family and friends, I choose you and I promise to choose you every day, paulit-ulit, hanggang sa dulo. Hindi ako born, promise. Hindi ako magsasawa.
Na-date ka sa company orientation. It wasn't love at first sight. Akala ko, you would just be one of the many co-workers na makikilala ko sa maraming company na applyan ko.
Give you all of my love, give you every touch, till the sky turns to stardust.
We started as friends. Then you became my comfort zone, my go-to person, and eventually, my best friend.
Oo, naiiyak ako.
Huwag ka umiyak. Huwag ka umiyak. Ba't ka naman umiyak?
Kasi
Okay lang.
may kapartner ka na, hindi na ako eh.
Oh, bakit naman?
Ha?
Okay lang yun.
Siyempre,
Hindi ka naman
hindi ka,
nawawalan. Nadadagdagan
mawawalay ka na sa akin.
Oh, hindi naman.
Ha?
Makati lang ako.
Oo nga, pero siyempre, you're my one and only.
Okay
I
lang.
love you so much, Sinakan.
Cause fix
I promise. Napapatayin ko ang mga ilaw at isasara ko ang mga pinto kapag lalabas ng pintuan. I promise, nadadamihan ko ang sauce sa chicken nuggets kapag susubuan ka.
You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. Grocery aisle hand in hand. Little world but so grand. Picking up the bread and wine like we've done a million times before. And I never get tired, 'cause you're my peace. Heaven on earth, oh, you make it
Alam ko naman na andyan siya pala.
Willem, nandito kami lagi para sa'yo. So, kahit anong mangyari, rest assured we have your back. Kung may kailangan kang kausapin, pag inuutusan ka ni Sam, andito kami. And I'm sure, ito yung pinaka-happiest moment mo.
After 5 years of being together, I have zero hesitation in saying that I want to spend the rest of my life and all life after this with you. Being with her, I'm becoming someone better.
Alam niyo ang isa't isa because you are opening everything. Telling everything, all the stories in your heart. Ganun naman kaibigan. Why? Because they trust each other.
Sam, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
But I'll do all I'm meant to do.
They're aking one and only. My one and only.
I am very excited to create more memories with you, and I will gladly ride this roller coaster of a life with you, full of ups and downs. Pero sana mas maraming ups. P.S. Ito na yung letter na hinahanap ko.
In fairness.
Love will.
Like water listens to the moon. I hope I'm not saying this too soon, but I'll do all I'm meant to do, long as I'm right next to you.
Sige na, aaminin ko na. Ako talaga una nagkagusto. At gugustuhin kita hanggang mamatay ako.
Take care of my son. Take care of Sam. Sam, take care of me.